Hi, I'm Edon Ophir, Senior Manager for Developer Relations at Vodafone. Vodafone's developer marketplace is the single global Vodafone interface and digital destination serving all external developers looking to consume Vodafone's products and services. Developer.vodafone.com is where customers can connect with us digitally and increasingly automate their interactions as they discover, try, and onboard onto Vodafone APIs. The vision for the channel is to create a place where third parties looking to leverage, buy, or sell Vodafone services through APIs can do so with ease. Use cases will range across a rich and diverse set of product portfolios from IoT and edge computing through to 5G, rich communication services, and beyond. The aim is to provide these products to developers in an industry standardized way. This allows our APIs to be monitored and managed for both performance and scale, and most importantly, this provides a stronger discipline for security and governance. Many of these products and services are already touching the lives of software developers worldwide, and the developer community represents an important group for us. The experience we are designing is aimed for consumption by developers who may sit in large organizations, established enterprises such as banks, to more nimble local companies, for instance, in car sharing. What developers have in common is the need for well-documented and versioned APIs that help them have clear expectations of their application, maintenance, and lifecycle, and this is where Vodafone Developer Marketplace comes in. Currently live on developer.vodafone.com is a portfolio of digital identity APIs which helps businesses combat fraud and cybercrime silently without impacting their customers' experience. One of the APIs that helps stop fraud is SIM swap. Fraud can occur when a fraudster obtains a customer's details through a phishing email or call and uses them to get a new SIM with that same person's number from that person's operator. One of our customers consuming this API is pioneering digital trust for financial institutions. By using our API to judge whether a device is being used by its original owner, this customer has reduced instances of fraud by more than 80% in cases of digital impersonation. So let's look at the SIM swap API. Each API product has an overview for both a business and technical audience, including information on use cases. We've created a public sandbox that allows a developer to test an API using sample data. Let's try it out for the SIM swap API now. Developers can use our interactive sandbox or download the specification and use that with their favorite tools, such as Postman. To test out the API on our site, firstly, we need to authenticate in order to obtain an access token. Now we can call the API using the valid default inputs. The response from the API call demonstrates we have successfully reached Vodafone servers and received a valid response containing the date and time when this sample number was last swapped into a SIM. The next step now for a developer would be to start using this API in their own applications. If the developer visiting the site is happy and wants to use this API in production, they can register and onboard. Now let's check out our blog. As the channel grows, we'll be publishing tutorials, goal-oriented guides, and use case-driven sample apps to enhance the developer experience right here on our site. Our goal, whether reflected through SDKs, sample code, or through quick informal support available through a community channel, is to continue meeting industry standards for a seamless developer experience with Vodafone. So that's an overview of Vodafone's developer marketplace and how we plan to serve and support the developer community. We'll be sharing the latest updates on developer.vodafone.com and continuing to grow the API products and services we offer, including messaging, 5G and edge compute, and IoT.